pitter-patter of the raindrops running down the roof. It reminds me of the kids and you. How this house used to be filled with the joyful noise made by you girls and that baby boy. Now there's just a big empty void. I never thought I would miss the noise. Begged you all to stop it so many times so I could hear the TV and unwind. Now the silence is painful as it rings in my ears. Now all I hear is the pitter-patter of my tears running down my face in this tomb of dead joy. I never thought I would miss the noise. Now the TV runs constant, I never turn it off. I can hear every single word coming out of that stupid box. I'd give anything just to hear the kids and you, but I guess the Lord needed a little noise too. How I would love to hear the clanging of some toys to fill this big empty void. I never thought I would miss the noise.